Hey everybody, welcome to this app call short tutorial on working with fee billing items in the Time Manager. Now you get to the Time Manager by hovering over the clock at the top of every page or by accessing the icon in the left of the row in the Task and Matters module. Now, the easiest way to enter a billing item is to copy data from something you've been working on before, either a task, matter, or even a billing item. So one way to do it is if in the Task module, for example, here you can access the Time Manager from the clock here in the row. And when I click on the billing item, notice all these fields are already populated. I can just enter my time, click Add, and I'm done. The other way to do it, if you're not accessing it from the Task or Matters module, is to search for a previously entered billing item, copy the data, and then add it that way. Now, all your previous fee billing items, just the fee ones, bear in mind, not expenses, not flat fees, are shown in this list here. And you can sort this list by clicking on the column headers. Now, here's the modified column. So when I click on this, I'm searching from high to low, newest to oldest. You can see that the ones I've worked with recently are shown right here. If I click again, it flips them. So I can use sorting to find a particular billing item by just bringing it to the top and clicking on it. Once I found it, I can copy data down into the fields below by clicking on the copy icon. So if I want to do another billing item that's similar to this one, even though it's 3 years old, click on the copy icon, down it comes, update the data, change the amounts, and I'm done. You can filter this list to find previously entered billing items by typing in the search box up here. So if I type in the word draft, it'll immediately go out and search for all billing items that contain the word draft. I can copy those and move on. Another cool feature is these pre-configured filters here. When you enter data for a particular client or matter, for example, the one I was looking at earlier, which was Robo. Let me just go back to that one. File supplement. So right here, when you populate the data down in here, either by typing or copying, it adds pre-configured filters up top here, so you can quickly search for billing items for a particular client, a particular matter, or particular tasks to see if you already, for example, if I just want to see all billing items that I've personally entered for Robo, I can click it. I can see I've got 13 there. For this particular matter, I've got 3, and then for this particular task, I've already entered 2. Makes it super easy to find if you've worked on something before. The clear field button down here incidentally clears everything out and resets it so you can start from scratch again. If you want to search for things by date, that can be done also by typing in the search box up here. Let's suppose for some strange reason I want to search for all billing items I worked on in 2014. I can just type in the year and that'll restrict the list to just those things that have an item date of 2014. If I wanted to go to a specific month, using the international date format, I can type in 2014-05, and that'll show me everything that was entered or has an item date of that month. It makes it very easy to quickly go in and find things on a particular date, and I can just copy them and edit them. Now, if you're looking in this list and you see something that's not quite right, you want to tweak it, you want to edit a particular billing item, you can do that very quickly just by clicking on the line, changing whatever it is you need to change. Maybe we want to change the time here. This was a hard project. Change the description, update it, and then it's immediately updated in the list here. If you're sorting by modified, of course, the things that you've just edited will pop to the top, and so anything I just edited that way will instantaneously jump to the top there. So, lots of ways to work with fee billing items quickly in the Time Manager. Hope this was useful, and thanks for watching.